Hi Sri Vidya ma'am, Savita Acharya ma'am, Sagarika ma'am, good morning, Tulasi Reddy ma'am, Mrinal Vane ma'am, good morning, good evening. For me it's good morning because I just slept and got up. I'm so sorry. Hi Mrinal, even at shop also in the time good morning, ma'am. Happy Lori, Mrinal ji, Nisha Korat ma'am. Thank you Nisha Korat ma'am. Till now target is met. We're almost on 550 sarees, and by Saturday's live we should be finishing 1000 sarees, and then the next destination, the next 500. Yeah, so we somehow make sure that it happens. Hi Anusya ma'am, how are you? Today's sarees, look at this. I have this, all beautiful handlooms. I'll show you what I'm showing today evening. It's going to be 3 hours live. See here, this I have, then I have this combination. Alright, but the pricings are amazing. Nimbi ma'am, thank you. See you. Tell me how are these sarees? Okay, look at this. These are the sarees what I'm showing you. This one type what I'm showing you. Okay, look at this orange and rust we have here. Okay, keep it. Next, show me the. Look at this. Next 3 days I'll be showing you these varieties. Okay, simple, elegant, regular wear. You know, I want that border. Which border, Anusha ma'am? Which color? Dark green. Wait, see here. This brocade. All this, so much I'm going to show you. Yeah. See here. All this I'll be showing you now. Okay. Little. Easy. Wait. Now, this is one variety I'm going to show you. Then the second variety I'll show you is only two of green. Of green. Did I show green? This green. Look at this. Okay, all fresh stock. All beautiful prices. This one, Anusha ma'am. My price only. Okay. Now, this is one variety I'm showing you. Next, brocade look 5 sarees chupinjali. Okay, I want the small border purple one, please. Where did we show the small border purple, Deepan? It's going to be wait. Small border purple kude. One side. Very nice, Sagarika ma'am. This one is Sagarika ma'am. Number? D1. D for darling, D for dazzling, D for dashing, D1 Sagarika ma'am. Okay. Okay. Wait. So, Korvi. Hi Satish Vaidya ma'am. Good evening. I want a retapet. Everything I'll give. Just to keep watching me for next 1 month. Not 1 month. Next 20 days. Yeah? Yes, dedication. That green saree border, any other color. I'll show you Anusha ma'am. So that is one. Ekkade unnai brocade. Deepananta brocade chupinchali. Faster Randi Deepan. Faster. Randi is correct, no? Faster Randi. Faster Rara. Okay, the next variety I'll be showing you is the beautiful brocades. Yeah? Now, visible Satish Vaidya ma'am. See, these are the very nice traditional brocades what I'm showing you. Okay? This one. Alright, so brocades, and then we will have this thing. The other item. Take this. I think we have shown enough. Gadwals also I'll show you. Hi sweets, Amma is better than yesterday but still in hospital. She'll be alright. Don't worry, Sharaja ma'am. Seegrama meeting vanduringe. Hi sweets, my husband calls me like this. After my husband, it's you who is calling me like that. D1 cost. I'll tell you, wait ma'am. Now, after all this, I have one clearance also. Deepan. Now, these are all fresh and new stock. After all this, I have one lot 100 sarees in clearance price. I should get me 10 sarees. 10 sarees get me. These are the clearance brocades what I have. Look at this. Yeah? Look at this. All this beautiful clearance. The two good stuff. Wonderful Kanjivarams. Look at this. See here. All designs have been stopped with the weaver. Okay. No damage in this. Look at this. I want the rust one. How much is that? I'll tell you, ma'am. Give me 2 minutes. I'll tell. Look at this. All this. Okay. Pure silk. No damage, but designs have been stopped. Alright, look at this. Mai, idoda sollu mai. Anna kitta oru best panna solliru. Okay. Round cheyinga na ella kali pannira 2 minutes. Paravala vechittu enna pandringa stock clear idilla pannu round pannu. Stock clear chesnu ante ipo mee dagara shop lo chupinchanu ella vanda cost kali pannanu poite. Good. Okay, now you tell me, you want to see this or you want to see the fresh first or you want to see this. These are no errors but white. Nisha Kuratma. Okay, look at this. Heavy sarees. Retail load this saree 19-20,000. 19-20,000 minimum in retail these sarees are. And these sarees will go on a fantastic price. Okay. Off-white big border. Take this, Nisha ma'am. Price? Now I am confused. Anna has given me the discount. Anna. Okay. 9,999. Fresh ones first. I'll show you fresh. Yeah? Money. Keep this. Fresh ones first. Huh? At last. At night we'll show this. Okay? Rita ma'am. Yes, Rita ma'am. I can see some places no. I can 10 years I know this Anna. So I can tell it's okay. 1,000 rupees less you give. Getting one. Very nice Padma ma'am. It's side away Deepan. We'll show it after. Nisha ma'am saree is done. So these two are booked, right? Okay. Let's see some fresh sarees. Nice sarees. My one by one could. Okay. Yes, Nisha ma'am. Look at this beautiful rust. Okay. And from tomorrow, the show pattern will change, okay? 100 sarees daily will show and daily exclusive. Because we are getting into every weaver's house and we are getting the sarees and night we are going to show the sarees. Yeah? Look at this. What the price then? Price confused panadinga. My price sorry. Okay? Look at this. 14,999. 14,999.
D4.
D4. These are all. The white is booked, ma'am. D4. 14,999. Look at this. I'll get you with you, ma'am. 9 o'clock we'll do the clearance. 3 piece, huh? 3 piece. Wherever even same. Look at this. This is D. D4. I have these 3 pieces. Tell me. Sankranti offers, yeah. Every day is offer. Please give nice price for rust. 14,999. It's one of the best price. Handlooms. I'm still giving you the original handloom price. Even though silk yarn prices have gone high, we are still giving you nice prices. Similar prices what we have been giving. Alright.
D4.
4 is this. Ukacha. D4 is this. Rust and dark chocolate. Sylvia Preeti ma'am ke karanga. 3 pieces I have. Everything what I am showing is 2 gram. No doubt on the sarees. No doubt on the silk. All with the silk mark. All handlooms. All 2 grams. Definitely don't worry about that. That distemper green ketanga. Prema Ravi ma'am kude. And the very bottom. Yeah? D4, huh? D4 all 3 booked. Yeah. D4 is booked. Hi Saisudha ma'am. Then. Gap borders I'll show you from again. I'll show you everything is lined up. 14,999. Okay, and the orange purple coat that will get sold. I will pick Deepan what I want. Keep everything in front of me because. வேண்டாம் நான் பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு நான் எப்படி போகுங்கிறது பார்த்துட்டு இதெல்லாம் மோஸ்ட் இது யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இந்த மாதிரி தான். ஓகே மை ப்ரைஸ் Look at this. One more beautiful saree here. Price was sold.
Different, same price.
14,999. Look at this. Very beautiful orange. We have this beautiful buttas. Look at this. This is the pallu and the blouse piece. This is
B5.
D5 is this. Tell me who wants D5? I think yeah, green. D5 is this. Yes, Satish Vaidya ma'am. Not that. Very butta. D5. Ah, yes. Prem Ravi ma'am. Look at this. Is this the one you asked for? Yeah. Weight of the saree is normal Kanchi saree's weight only, ma'am. 800 grams, 850 grams. This is D5. 14,999. D5. Next, Deepan. D for dashing D. Okay, this one. Dark green I'll get. All colors. See, I'm going to show you more than 2,000 designs in this next 15 days of life. All handlooms, no doubt on that. All handlooms. Pavalum show I'll do at last. Okay. Look at this. Corway, 16,500.
D6.
16,500. Thank you, Nisha ma'am. D6. 16,500. All these are fresh stock. Beautiful saree. See it. 2 gram. Zari butta. Corway D6 is this. 16,500. Look at this. I'll show you Nisha ma'am. Thank you. Satish Vaidya ma'am. D6 is this. Okay. In that I have one more color. Red tapet. Look at this. 16,500. This is D7. 7. Peacock blue and pink D7. Okay. One more color in that D8. Look at this. D8. This one. And then I have this one color in that. That's all. Black and rust. And I have this. Again white and blue here. How many views for me? 43 to show you. Okay, look at this. This is D.
Green D8.
Movie was good. Movie was too good, ma'am. We had fun. D6 Sumalata, ma'am. Okay.
D8. Green.
This is D8 green. Okay. Umavati, ma'am, I'll give you in the brocades. This is
D9.
9. D9 is this black and rust. D9. Okay.
D10.
D10 is this. Nice off-white and this combination. Good evening, Veena ma'am. My price. Look at this. This is one beautiful unique saree. 16,500. We have this beautiful border here. This is
D11.
D11 is this. Very beautiful weaving border D11 and look at this. Yeah. And D11 is for 16,500. Okay. Then Deepan, give me that cuttums. Just all the cuttums. See, I have this cuttums 1. Yeah. Then I have this one more cuttum. Okay. Look at this. I have this one more grey cuttum. 18,750. Look at this. And then this combination, red tapet. Then I have this beautiful saree here. Yeah. Then look at this beautiful Corway cuttum. Off white and yellow. Girja ma'am ke karanga.
Off white and yellow.
Off white and yellow checks. Check. A flask thing am I kitta. 1 second. Okay, look at this. Deepan open. Yenama?
Off white and
Girja ma'am, look at this. Off white and this. Yeah. Then I still know you're looking for. Then the price is
Price.
18
750.
18,750. Look at this, 2 gram gold, handlooms, 18,750 is this.
D12.
D12
ஆமா.
D12. Thank you Sujaka, thank you. Your flask it away.
இந்த வர
This is D13.
13.
Look at this. D13 is this. One more beautiful combination. D13. Okay. Now get the sunni.
இல்ல அவங்க போறேன். நிர்மலா தேவியா.
This is D14. Look at this. D14 is this beautiful corvée podikattam, and look at this. This is D14. This is D15. All fresh sarees, so I'm being a little careful in opening. D15 is this, D15. Look at this. This is a vintage combination. This is D.
16.
Video is lagging, I check. I want this green. Which green? Savita Acharya ma'am, check. Mubagam for today conference. Thank you, Madhudi. Thank you. This is D. 16. Look at this. It's a vintage saree, D16. 18,500. Okay, 1 second. Idu kudu. First give me this. Let's finish this. One saree I have. Some 10, not one. How many? Some 7, 8 sarees I have. You can pick one in that. This one, look at this. Pure handloom. Beautiful saree here. Might tell me the price? See here. 9,999. See here. 9,999. Pure handloom, pure Kanjivaram. Contrast, I'll open one. Pastel shades also I have this time. Yeah. Look at this. See. Look at this. As this movie was good. We enjoyed it. Popcorn the Sadapich. Yes, Prasanna ma'am. This is 9,999. This is
D17.
D17 is this. This is one saree I'm opening. I'll show you the colors which I have. D17 is this. Okay. Then D18 is this. 9,999. This saree you're getting fresh saree at this price. Imagine the clearance stock. They're 20,000 rupees saree for this price I'm giving. This is D18. D19 is this. Yeah. Then D20 is this. Okay. D21 is this. D22 is this. Just see, I'll keep on showing 2,000, 3,000 sarees. D22 is this. 750 grams, Sunila ma'am. D23 is this. D23. 22, sorry. D24 is this. D24. D25 is this. D25. D26. Okay. D27 is this. Alright. It's a price, isn't it? Okay. I have some Vaira OCs. Look at this. Beautiful Vaira OC. I have 2 pieces of Vaira OC here. Might tell the price. 2 pieces of Vaira OC. Ida. Mahi, tell the price of this. 1 second. They just put the others on. Katta katla. 20,250. Look at this. Look at this Vairosi. 20,250 rupees. Number?
28 ne?
Thank you, Raj ma'am. Look at this. This is the 28. All handlooms, all handlooms. D28 is this. Look at this. All Vairosi 2 grams. The quality is top notch on this. 20,250. D28. D29 is this. Beautiful combination. No clearance, I'll show you after some time. Yeah. D29 is this. Tissue.
30.
D30. Tissue butta and look at this. D30. 20,250. D31 is this. D31 is this. Okay. Then border buttal unnaya. Other next border buttal. Dintlo. That one. Dark green Vairosi. That I'll show you, Padma. Look at this. 1, 2, and 3. I mean, these two colors are same because there's lots of demand in this color. D26 Mai Pradeep Pam. Sound that? 3546. It a price only 15,990. That's an awesome price for this saree. On the pure silk, fresh lot, 15,999. Look at this. Gap orders I'll show you, mama. Look at this. Beautiful pink orange. This is how it looks. Number?
D32.
D32. And then I have this beautiful combination. D30. 3 is this. Look at this. D33. Yeah? Look at this. D33 is for 15,999. D34 is this. 15,999. Borderless చూపించండి. ఇది మట్టు. Okay. Look at this. Borderless. See ya. This I'll give you on a very nice price. See ya. Very nice, fresh one. All same. Now pick this. This I'll give you a beautiful price. Hey, look at this. Okay. All these are basically for right now the current price. It's 15,999. But still, I'll make them all for 13,999. Borderless 2 gram. Look at this. All new designs. Yeah, see it. And they are heavy also. Beautiful colors. I'll open one. 13,999. Look at this. Beautiful mango butta.
D35.
Pure handloom. Pallu. And the blouse piece. This is D35. 5. Peach. See, these are the colors. Any particular one you want, you can tell me. Blue, pink one. Open and go. I'll open Shweta. Itna. Then it open. Can't open. Look at this. This is D36. 36. D36 is this. 13,999. Borderless. Borderless also they are heavy only. Then anything open. Tuck open panni. If come will show. Right? 2000 3000 sarees carded போயிடலாம்.
37.
எதுக்கு?
D37.
D37, look at this. D37 is this, a very nice ink blue, and look at this. D30 mahi
7.
7, 13,999. Adil. D38, this is beautiful. D38, look at this. Sea green Getty pallu, and look at this. D38,
8.
very beautiful combination. D38. Then D39 is this. That I'll give you, Jayashree ma'am. Will take some time. We'll give you. D39.
9.
Yeah, sky blue open now. One second. Yes, ma'am. 2 temple border maroon. Yeah. This is D40.
40.
Is this. D40, look at this. 13,999. D40.
1.
1 is this. For the age category I have in this page, you will all want border sarees only, I know. But still, for your daughters, for your daughter-in-laws, you can still buy this. This is D42. 41, na?
41.
41.
And this is here.
D42
2.
is this. Sarees I'll show you, ma'am, all on the way. One by one, I'm covering one varieties. Yeah, I've got 3,000 sarees to show. We already showed 1,000 sarees, no? Another 3,000-4,000 sarees. This is beautiful, see. Nice meenakari you have, double card. Double card, gada? We have nice meenakaris, double card butta, and look at this. This is
D43.
43, 13,999. This is a sky blue one. D44,
4.
look at this. D44 is this. 13,999. D44. Okay. That green, okay. That's it.
Green pattern. Last in the back.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಟರ್ದು ನೀವು ಅದಾದ ಹಾಯ್ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ Pongal is tomorrow, today. Look at this. Now this is also beautiful handloom. All new designs. Amma Satyama. Look at this. This is beautiful, unique design. Look at this. This is one. Padma ma'am, you can go for this combination. It's okay. This particular lot, I'll give a nice offer. It is actually 15,999, but this particular lot I'll give you 13,999. Offer on the fresh. Yeah.
D45.
D45. Look at this. Sometimes just to pull up the sales, I have to do something. That's what I'm reducing, slashing completely on the new product. Not everything will do. It will happen. Padma ma'am, if she books, Nali can be doing. Yes, Padma ma'am. Look at this. This is D45. It's a very vintage color. D45. 13,999. D45.
46.
Yeah. D46.
6.
D46 is this. Look at this. This is one more nice color. Purple and this. Where did Rajvi ma'am go? Rajvi, she's there. She keeps messaging me. She was there yesterday also. D46. Maybe she's busy with the work. D47 is this. Very beautiful red tapet. Look at this. Tie and dye border. D47. Yeah. 13,999. This one is too good. D48.
48.
Look at this. D48 is this. And this is
13%.
13,999. Combo offers on Saturday, ma'am. This is D50. Padma Chalanka, ma'am. Check pani kogila. D50 is this. Podikattam border.
Yes.
And we have this.
49.
D49. Enna mahi pandra? D49 is this. Beautiful green and blue. D49. Then D50 is this. D50 is this beautiful combination. Yeah. D50. After watching yesterday's movie, I want to go for a movie again today. But these boys will remove me out of the team then. Megha Datta ma'am wants D48. Open Deepan. Yeah. Hi Usha Shetty ma'am, how are you? I loved Chiranjeevi and Venkatesh yesterday. They were my, when I was in my teens, they were my role models for heroes, you know. Now I don't know if we really have such heroes, but they were the best. Chiranjeevi is 70 years, no? 70. 70 years, 40 years, I'm not able to stand and walk. I need someone to pull me up. 70 years, if they have been maintaining like that, it's an inspiration to see them. Our boys Akhil and Mahendran have got double stomach and they're not able to run and bend also. Enya first சொன்னேன் அதுக்கு மேல உங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன். I mean, what was the movie name? Manashankara Varaprasad. Very nice. He was too good. I was just looking at Chiranjeevi and Venkatesh. Look at this. This is
D51.
And these boys were happily looking at Nayanthara the entire movie. This is D.
51.
என்ன மை அப்படி சொல்றேன்? D51. Also, this is பொடி கட்டம் என்ன கிலா உனக்கு பிடிக்காதா? Nice. I love her. She has some swag, at least for that. Look at this. This is the checks. Yeah. Yeah. Sylvia ma'am. After seeing that movie, I was telling in the theatre only with Deepan. ஒரு மார்ச் வரைக்கும் ஃபுல்லா like buffaloes and donkeys we will work. After that 1 month we'll take a break and do something for at least ourselves. This is D 51 price sollu 15,950 rupees. One beautiful saree in a nice price. Kattam Veldari, look at this.
15,000.
950. D51.
2.
Yeah, Nayanthara has been polished like anything over a period of time. I just love the way she carries herself. She has that elements, you know.
D52.
D52 is this beautiful cuttums, and look at this 15,950. They're all handlooms, very beautiful, fresh sarees. Okay, D52. Then, good evening, Indu ma'am. Wow, this someone should take. It's too good. Cuttam, and look at this red and this D
53.
D53, 15,950. How many of you like this red color? Red and Veldaris. Mild Veldari we have lines. D53, yeah?
ஆமா.
Akhil, இந்த color எப்படி இருக்கு? D53. Yes, Indu ma'am. D54. D53 Lekha Bomakanti ma'am. Lekha ma'am, really beautiful saree. I loved it very much. D54 is this. Yeah? Caramel popcorn illa edume illa Vaijanti ma'am. Plain popcorn. Adu kai potta pudi pudi age. My popcorn I ate fast. Then I asked for Sounders popcorn. Advargam adu vechiti enamo panni podi panni. D53 only one piece. D53 lo oka piece kada? I also love Vaijanti ma'am. Look at this. This is D50?
D54.
4. D54. Yeah? No, Usha ma'am. Kata means checks, yeah. D55. 5. Look at this. We have this Vairosil lines. D55 is this. 15,950. Yeah? Okay. 1 second. Let me show them. See here. I have this. Cut later. మూవీ బాగుందా? చాలా చాలా బాగుంది మ్యామ్. నాకు రొంబ ఇష్టమైంది. బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అదే. యా. వాట్ వాస్ ద స్టోరీ? నార్మల్ స్టోరీ. நம்மொரு படம் எடுக்கணும்டா. We should actually take one படம். I have a nice story. Let's see. Anyone who is really interested in investing for the movie can tell me. Look at this. Amma Akila. This beautiful. Is it tip too? How can you say that size to the ma'am? Look at this. All this. May tell me the price. 15,950 rupees. Tea charges. Tea coffee charge.
D56.
பிக் பக்கெட் எல்லாம் இங்க இல்ல வைஜந்தி மேம். சின்ன ஒரே பக்கெட் தான். அதுல
Large illa, medium.
it's a normal theater. It's not no PVR Inox we went. Some theater we went. நம்ம ஈரோட்ல அபிராமி இருக்கிற மாதிரி. No?
Available வேற லெவலுங்க.
அப்படியா? அப்ப ஈரோட்ல என்ன தியேட்டர்? ராயல் தியேட்டரா?
ராயல்.
ஈரோடு ராயல் தியேட்டர் மாதிரி இருந்தது, பட் மூவி வாஸ் குட். Wow, somebody go for this. என்ன மூவி இருக்குடா இன்னைக்கு? பார்க்கலாமா? ப்ரொஃபசர் ஸ்டோரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட். எஸ் சப்னா மேம். ஹாரர் மூவி. బాగలేదా? Yeah? Horror அது? Horror.
It is not completely horror, but story is little bit lag. Okay. Entertainment is better. 3 hours, 2 hours 40 minutes.
No.
Aganda 2.
Huh?
Aganda 2 is far more better. Far better.
Look at this. 15,950. This is beautiful. Okay, number?
D56.
D56 is this. D56.
Yes, which one?
Yeah,
15,950.
Ella fresh.
Okay.
It is not Corvay. It looks like Corvay. It is not Corvay. Corvays I'll show you after 7-8 days. It is not Corvay. Yeah, it's self. Corvays in same. I'm going to give you for 21,000 to 19,000. These are not Corvays. And heavy 3 gram Corvays will go for 26,000 rupees, which I'll be showing you. Look at this. This is
D57.
D57. D57 is this. This is D57. Same you will get in 9-10,000 rupees. They are power looms, power looms, power looms. Understand? Power looms same you get, which I will show you that also. Yeah. Then same design, same pattern, same border. In power loom I'll show you for range of 9,000 to 8,500. Seekos I'll show you. Same, this is hand loom. Okay, 15,950. Same Corvay I'll show you, which is for 20 to 21,000. This is C.
D57.
D57. D58. Hey, it's committed. D58 is this. D58. It's committed. D59 is this. 15,999. D60 is this. Yeah. D61 is this. D60. No, open. I have got you used to that super elite combinations. I'll show you that. Don't worry. Look at this. This is D60. 2. D62 is this. 15,950. D63 is this. This purple is good. Open. Yes, Vaijayanti ma'am. Pocket friendly range these are. In handlooms. And the brocade, okay, sorry, green and designer border. This is
D64.
D64 is this. I got it, Subda Ramani ma'am. Don't worry. D64. I know what your eyes are waiting for. That show will be next week. Yeah. This is
D65.
65. Look at this. D65 is this. D65. Either. Oh, no. Yellow. Okay, how many views we have? Tell me.
240.
240 people we have. Okay, should you want me to show the clearance one? Yeah. Look at this. This is D
66.
D66, 15,950. Tell me if you want me to show the clearance ones. I'll show you. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೇಂಜ್ 15 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಿತ್ತಿರ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ
live for artificial temple jewelry. I'll give you, ma'am. Probably next week or something. Everything on the way. Now next 20 days we are out of the house to show you all this. Okay? I'll do one thing. I'll do the clearance just to make you all super active now. The sarees what I'm going to show you will be for the fresh rate now is, look at this, I'll show you. If this saree you're buying now, it is for 20,000 to 25,000. Look at this. This saree if you're buying now, D66 Veena Rao ma'am. This one if you're buying now at the current rate, it's 24,000 rupees minimum. Look at this. Yeah. Now, what we'll do is, I have don't open it. Okay, we'll open. I have 100 sarees. Just all keep aside. Fast, I'll show. I have 100 sarees in this, which will be priced at which will be priced at which will be priced at 9,999. Semi illa ma'am, pure 9,999. What's the number?
D67.
D67. Okay, now this one somebody buy. The next saree is stunning. D68. ఇప్పుడు తూటి పోడన అడి ఉంగు పోறீங்க. This is D68. Tell me who's taking this. It's such a vintage saree. Handloom 9,999. Can you get this saree? D68. D68 is this. D68 is this. Look at this. Okay, you cannot be silent like this when I'm showing this kind of sarees at this prices. D68 Priyanka Abhishek ma'am. Priyanka Abhishek ma'am, please WhatsApp कीजिए 8610434600 में. D68. Are these pure silk? These are pure silk. These are pure handloom. These are clearance because this particular weaver every year he gives me 100 sarees in clearance. He couldn't sell or either the loom is stopped. So it's just come down 100% where we are putting the price. Damage లేదు కదా దీంట్లో 0 damage, no damage, but it's a jackpot offer. I could have even sold it for 12,999, but if 12,999 I would have sold 60 out of 100 sarees. If 999 I want to sell all 100 out of 100. That's the concept. This is D68. Booked down. D69. Look at this. Such a beautiful. Buy this. Vaijanti ma'am paathukonga idella thevapadu ungalku ena nalla offer idu. This is D69. D69 is this beautiful green brocade and pink. D69 all with the silk mark. D69 9,999. Yeah. D70. Chala bagundi kada. Look at this. This is D70. A beautiful combination. D70. See here. This combination. Nice pink brocade D70. Now you ask also you will not get on this price. D70. Alright? Who wants D70? Tell me. It's nice pink and green. D70. D70 book down. D71. Wow. Orange and red and blue. D71. Look at this. Beautiful combination. D71. How is this? This can be a very nice poster saree. For 9,999. Pure silk with the silk mark. Otherwise these sarees are 20,000 rupees. Yeah. D70 book acha. D71 is this. Okay. Then. This is D72. 72. All brocades, heavy brocades. D72 is this. Look at this combination. D72. Rita ma'am, yes. One nice color edge. Get everything here. Two good offers, yeah. This is D73 is this. D73. Look at this. D73. Okay. Rita ma'am, ಇದು okay va? Rita ma'am. See this. Tell me if it is okay, Rita ma'am. Don't charge for Rita ma'am. Rita ma'am. This for you.
D74.
How is it? Amma. Look at this. D70?
D74.
4. Sound the Rita ma'am move panir. D74. Keep everything here, Deepan. I'll show them slowly, we'll open. Look at this. Select for you, I selected for you. Too much, Rita ma'am. No. Look at this. That's from me for you. No, Rita ma'am. One from my end to you. Too much you're already doing. Look at this. All this. 9,999. See ya. Okay. That's not big border though. That's an okay. Which is something else then. Black and blue. Look at this. Mahi, wait. Ask him to slash the price more. 1 second. One second, wait. Let me still see if I can reduce something. Okay, alright. What we did is further, see, we have to sell this. We cannot disappoint this little small boy here who I've been seeing from long time. Huh? Okay, so all this will be for one best price again. Big borders only, that's why. Get that, Deepan. All this will be for 8,999. One last price. Further discount. எப்படி அருண் சேல் பண்ணி முடிச்சு கொடுத்துருங்க போட்டு 8,999. Okay, all look at this. See here, white leather irka, white not there ma'am, irka. D72 and 70 for Nandini Mauli ma'am. Check. Look at this. Yeah. Rathi Rajaramam D67. Okay, Deepan, open and give. It's a best price, best deal. You don't get silk sarees. Sudharamani ma'am, yes. These are all sarees. What happens, Sudharamani ma'am? Where I'm sitting, they're little weavers, okay? So they weave regular sarees. Once in a year, some 100-150 sarees will remain, which they'll not be able to sell or something. These are stock clearance, but there is no error in this. Okay? Open and give. Fast type of policy. Isn't this slow? This is
D75.
D75. Look at this. D75. Mahi, you remember this saree? D75. Look at this. Very beautiful red combination. D75, 8,999. Take this saree, go across and then ask if you can get this price. Now they'll quote it for not less than 20,000 rupees straight. This is B.
D76.
D76, look at this. D76 is this. Okay. 8,999 pure silk. D77,
7.
look at this. Big border pure silk with the silk mark. Get the burning test also done. It will pass it. Yeah. It's all silk. This is
77.
D77. D78,
78.
black. D78, nice black and blue. Look at this. D78, beautiful brocades. D78. D79 is this. Yeah. D79. Then powder blue is certain. Shobna Priya ma'am, yes, they're all beautiful kanchis. Clearance ma'am, they couldn't sell, they're putting it on a slash price just to finish. This is D80.
80.
Some 1,000 rupees we have kept and we are selling, nothing more. Just to clear them. This is D80.
81.
1. D81 is this. D81. Powerlooms I'll give you from Salem. They are masters in powerloom. I'll get you from there. That would be for a different price again.
D82.
D82.
2.
Prema ma'am, D76 check panna. D83
3.
is this. D83. Okay. Get the sarees and then tell me how they are and what it is. This D80.
84.
4, look at this. D84 is this. Yeah. Costly brocade unnaya. Kuttulo. This is D
85.
85 tissue brocade. D85, look at this. Yeah. D86 is this. D86, look at this. Beautiful brocade and see here D86. Because of the price everyone is asking, I know, that is why, that's what I was telling. He was also telling that, you know, we should actually put the price more and sell. But for us it is not like that. For us we have to finish everything and we have to give the pricing like that. Even though you earn 1,000 rupees on that, when you sell 100 sarees it's different, right? So that's how it works for us. This is
D87.
D87. D87 is this. D88 is this. Look at this. See here. D88. It's a pure handloom. D88. Look at the work what you have here. D88. See this. D89. Look at this. Wonderful saree. D89. Yeah. 8,999. This is D90. Look at this. 8,999. Then, in one dilka. This is D91.
91.
Look at this. D91. Then in the orange open. Light colors vanda solunga mai adanga. Pastels vanda. Tissue ade. Tissue. This is D92.
92.
Look at this. D92 is this. Yeah. Then D93
93.
is this orange. D93. Okay. Get me a heavy brocade. Corway. Then wait, depends. Stop opening. This is D94.
94.
D94. Yeah. அவங்களுக்கு pink self in on your lap. D95 is this. D96 is this. D97 is this. Okay. D98 is this. Yeah. D99 is this. D100 is this. Tissue handlooms look of 5 sarees. Heavy. D101 is this. D101. D102 is this. Somebody asked for white, take this. Best price this is. D103. D104. D105 is grey. D106 is green. D107 is this. D108, this you can go. D108. D109 is this. Sagarika ma'am, that starts from tomorrow. Like that. I'll text you, wait, Sagarika ma'am, today. This is D110. 8,999. Who says it? D110 is this. D111 is this. Bridals, yeah. Illa Satish Vaidya ma'am. No, black ka. Onne irundhathu kaatna. Irunga Satish Vaidya ma'am. Ungalku naan thaniya kaatren. This is D112. 112. D113. 3 is this. D113. D114. It buy pannunga. D114. D115. D116. Yeah. D117. Big border. D118. All these are going on best clearance price of 8,999. Padma ma'am, please WhatsApp. This is D119. See, it's very beautiful. D119. 8,999 with the silk mark. This is D120. Look at this. D121 is this. Yeah, a flask kuda. Tani put. Either adu kuda. It's side la pettandi. D101. It's too hot, man. Balloon putting.
Next one,
Hot again. Tani romba hot agudhu. Hot again. Okay. Enta price?
1399.
Okay. Enna Rascal I'll call it. Okay. Now these beautiful handlooms again. Look at this. Borderless I have all. 13,999. Best price. Look at this. Nandini Mauli ma'am message reply pannunga. Pure handlooms. Look at this. Half and half. 13,999. Tell me if you're liking, not liking also. Tell me. No problem. Honestly give your reviews. So I'll keep on traveling. Keep on showing you. Next 20-25 days we are on travel. 1 second. Hemoglobin, no vitamin D material. Okay. Dark green with small border. Okay, you want me to show this? Tell me. Let me not waste your time also, my time also. You want me to show this? Tell me. I'll show or else we'll move. I'll show you this. Hi Suchitra Patil ma'am. White look green border. See here. Beautiful saree. 13,999. Number? Mahi.
T122.
T122. Show me one brocade. Okay, do you want to see this fresh brocades I have? These are fresh. brocades and tissue brocades. Give me that. Look at this. All these are fresh new brocades what I have here. Show me Mahi. Okay, then. Look at this. This is 37,500. It's a designer brocade tissue what we have. It's just like the glass tissue what we have here. Okay, if you want this kind, tell me. Show me that also. See here. Look at this combination. Okay. See this. This is very beautiful. This very beautiful tissue what I have here. And see here. Might tell the price of this. Let me open this. Huh? Do you want this kind of tissues in today? Looks little less demand, but I'm not getting any sarees. I ask. Less demand or high demand? Nitya Bala ma'am. What saree she asked? There is demand, so you didn't get that saree, Nitya Bala ma'am. So maybe these sarees are not basically how we show that patterns, but yes, we will show you. The high demand sarees will start from tomorrow and from next week. We have lined up almost 80 weavers, so it will take time. Look at this. Might tell the price. Look at this beautiful tissue. 28,500. See here. You have this crisscross weaving here. 28,500. Look at this pallu and the blouse piece. Huh? Enna sollu Mahi? Ennadi? Enakadara kelvi. Okay, number?
D123.
D123. Okay. Movie was too good, JMM. I want to go today also. And the pay padthu polama. Sale apdiye kilikidi niki. Sale is kilifying only today, but still we will watch movie. Nalik. Akila. Sale kilikidi padthukkaru polama solle. Either one. Either pada vanda santosham irukunu illa pada paatha santosham irukku. தியேட்டர் நல்லா இருக்கும் இல்லையம்மா சந்தோஷப்படுற மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணணும் படமா ஏதோ ஒன்று அப்போ என்ன பண்ண சார் தோஷல் பட்டேல் மேம் அது புக் பண்ணுமா 28,000 తమ్ముడు అంత సారీస్ లో కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయా తోషల్ పటేల్ మ్యామ్ అది బుక్ பண்ண గుడ్ ఫుడ్ మ్యామ్ నైస్ వి నో దెమ్ ఫర్ సో మెనీ ఇయర్స్ సో ఆల్ హోమ్ ఫుడ్ 28,500 తోషల్ పటేల్ మ్యామ్ దీంట్లో సేమ్ సిమిలర్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ లో చూపించండి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ హెవీగా இல்ல அந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் கொடுத்தா போயிடுமே இன்னைக்கு வந்து சில ஐட்டம்ஸ்ல நானே கட்ட மாட்டேன் அவங்க எப்படி கட்டுவாங்க சொல்லி இது வேண்டாம் இது நம்ம காட்டிடலாம் ஆனா இது நாளைக்கு காட்டு என்ன நோ நோ வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் என்ன ஜிஎஸ்டி இல்ல அப்படியே போட்டேன் நட்டரோடு வருதா நீ அமைதி எப்படி ரால்ஸ் ராய்ஸ் வாங்கணும் பிளான் பண்றோம் இவன் வந்து 800 வாங்க வச்சிருக்க போல இருக்கு ஹாய் எஃப்சி மேம் நந்தினி மௌலி மேம் ப்ளீஸ் ரிப்ளை டு ஹர் நோ ப்ளீஸ் someone please reply to Nandini Mauly ma'am. Oh, give that run card. Akant run card. 1, 2, 3 is what? Okay, one more exclusive piece. Now only exclusives I'll show you. Wait. This you will like. See here. Exclusive run card tissue. Dipa namal ketta mari item par. Exclusive run card tissue saree here. Oh, otta. Nee pannura. Nee dhan pachathinga. அவன் அத்தை கடை கட்டு Look at this. அதே மாதிரி look at this. ஆமா ஜெயமா மினிக்கி கொஞ்சம். Look at this. This is
D124.
D124. Tell me the price. D124. From tomorrow I'll show you more sarees again. Because tonight we are traveling for another destination. We'll travel, no, Kila? Okay. What number?
D124.
Price solida. D124. This is 23,950. It's a complete trunk card tissue. 23,950. Okay. D124. 4. On this developer. என்ன பெரிய border வேண்டடா நீ பண்ணு. கல்யாணத்துக்கு பண்ணா. To be finalized. Yes, Anna ma'am. Give me adella, give me. Let me see. Yes, Jay ma'am. Happily enjoying. One day sale is good, one day not good, but every day is travel. Different people, different food, types of food. Huh? Stay hold this. Oh, this saree the actress wore. Double draping she did. Remember? Same saree, huh?
Similar.
Same ah, similar ah?
Similar.
Difference ஒண்ணு இருக்குது. Similar. நான் same சொல்லி அவங்க same நினைச்சிட்டு similar வந்துட்டு அப்புறம் எதுக்கு? Look at this. It's for double draping you can use this saree. Look at this. A very beautiful saree here. Price?
D125.
Very stunning combination.
D125.
D125 is this. Look at this. D125. And see here. This is the pallu and the blouse piece. 28,500 D125. Yeah? No, adu vanda. Adu kuda chupinchindi. Exclusives I'll pick from that. I want blue. Chandra ma'am. Iniki enna date mahi?
13.
Ingen Pochampalli evlo dooram?
1 hour 7 hours.
But Saturday live we have, no?
Yes.
இன்னைக்கு என்ன நாள்? அப்போ நீங்க போய் Thursday Friday பண்ணி சாரிங்க வந்துடலாமா? Okay, no problem. Give me that blue.
Tuesday.
Tuesday அப்போ இன்னைக்கு நைட் கிளம்பிடலாம். போயிட்டு Look at this. This blue. This blue is very beautiful. Varsha ma'am, I didn't get you waiting for. Tell me. Look at this, yeah? Mangal Purnama. Enna Mangal Purnama. Look at this. See this blue. This is a very beautiful blue and pink. See here. What's the number?
D126.
D1?
126.
D126. Price?
20.
This is beautiful. 20?
3,950.
23,950. Beautiful blue with the 3 meenakaris we have. D1?
126.
126. D127 is this. No reply. These are different numbers. Shweta ma'am, which number you have been texting? Shweta Medlari ma'am, message reply pannunga. Dark green small border. That is tomorrow, ma'am. This D1?
127.
D127. Okay, tell me one genuine feedback. Do you want to see more tissues? Or you're done with tissues, or shall I move? See, the place where I am is only brocades and tissues are woven. Nothing else. Yeah? But, yarko Kundapura is pulling. Abdulka Amkudabba. Jai ma'am. Okay, so, old number போடுறாங்களா? Please don't message on our old number. Our new number is 861046. 34600. Red mustard. Tomorrow I'll show you Nilesh ma'am. Tomorrow I'll show you more of 9,009. See, 9,999 sarees and 12,999 sarees. I will show you on Saturday 12-hour show. 2,000 sarees, 12-hour show, and you all should buy that. Okay, now these I'll show you. Show me one second. Not this. This may not have. And the temple also there. Bindu ma'am, same not possible. Look here, this might tell the price. Organza is not there. You never know. We can even fly to Banaras and come in 2 days. Look at this. Beautiful combination, pure handloom. Nice blue. We have silk by silk border. It's a zero zari on the body, and only on the pallu we have this zari. What's the price of this?
15,750.
15,750. Number?
D128.
D128. One second. D129 is this. 15,750. Under green. D129. Sound the next status cut. Either actually cut. I know, sorry. This is D. In the Mari, these types they will like. This is D.
130.
130. D130 is this. How much? 15,750. It is other one. This one. Only one cardboard deep one is KG5 This is D
131.
131. D131 is this. Okay, wait. Oh, cool man. Still some 50 sarees you got. I thought no sale today, but still 50 sarees he's got. Nice. 50 is enough. Romba sale iniki. Huh? No, because I know what you're looking out for. What I'm also looking out for, that I'll show you from tomorrow, and especially next week. No gifting sarees here, 3,000 to 4,000. You want gifting sarees, 3,000, 4,000. My and the number, one second, give my phone. The number, வெளியே போய் phone பண்ணிட்டு இப்போ வரணும் சொல்லிரு. எங்க நான் சொல்றேன் உனக்கு, நீ கவலைப்படாத.
இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த சாரி ஒன்னு போறேன்.
One second. அதான் வரைக்கும் சொல்லுமே.
9,909.
இந்த நம்பர் ஃபோன் பண்ணி வெளியே போயிட்டு அந்த ஃபோன் பண்ணிட்டு ஐட்டம் எந்த ரேஞ்சில் எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு கேட்டு உடனே ஃபோன் பண்ணு. அங்கே போயிட்டு செமி கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது எந்த ப்ரைஸு? I know, Rita ma'am. That's why I'm also happily and casually showing. Look at this. See, the place where I am is basically only your brocades and tissues gets manufactured. Nothing else. Now, the next what I'm showing you will be only the border buttas, body buttas and self. Not even corways. The corways is a big game which I'm going to show you beautifully. 3,000 corways, veldaris, like how we show in our shop. No, those stuffs I'll be showing you next week. I'm just waiting for Pongal to over because all the weavers are happily in their Pongal mood. After Pongal, after 1 week, they'll start working. 3,000 sarees will show, no? The corways and all that. Okay? Daily we'll show 100, 150 sarees. Okay? Look at this. This is
D132.
D132. 20,250. Yeah? I know I've given it for you for 17,999 also. Don't worry, that also will come. D133. D133 is this. Yeah? D133.
20,250.
Huh. D133 na?
20,250.
20,250. எனக்கு விற்க மனசு வராது இந்த வேலைக்கு. நான் இந்த வேலைக்கு விற்றதே கிடையாது. சரி போட்டுடலாம். அவங்ககிட்ட சொல்லாம வாங்க. This is G. யாராவது பண்ணுவாங்க தீபன். This is G.
D134.
D134 is this. D134. Yeah? It's coming. My
Same.
D135 is this. D135, look at this. This Corvée. D135, 20,000? 250. Yeah? Then. 132 எது காட்டு?
132 green 4Y.
20,250. அந்த மாதிரி கோர்வை உங்களுக்கு 1000 புடவை காட்டுறேன் சதீஷ் வைத்திய மேம். ஒரு வாரம் இருங்க. This is D1
136.
36. D136 is this. Okay. Then this is nice. D130
37.
7. இந்த மண்ண போடுவேன்.
Mm.
D137 is this handlooms, huh? Corvays 20,250. Now this is D1.
138.
D138. Look at this. So tell the price. D138 is this.
250.
இல்ல இது கம்மி.
அதானே?
நீ விளையாட என்ன இது 2250 இல்ல செக் பண்ணு இது கம்மிடா.
அதல கொடுத்தது
கோர்வையா? கோர்வைதா. அனு this D
138.
old number is not working ma'am, please don't connect upon that. D138. This is D130
Plus
9.
D139.
D139. This is 20,250.
இல்ல
இல்லைங்க 23,950.
Sorry, 23,950. 23,950. Okay, these Corvays, these are 2 gram Corvays. 23,950 is this. Now, when we are showing some 1,000 sarees, this color, these patterns, I'll have 1,000 sarees, okay, to be shown by next week. Different patterns. Of course, there will be a little difference. Then this is the
139.
139. Enter price.
இதெல்லாம்
Look at this. 8,999. This is the
D140.
D140 is this. D141 is this. 8,999. Yeah. This is full golden D1. See my back here, it's paining. Sari is heavy. When I carry weight, it's coming on my back and valikidani. One nimisham hold பண்ணுற stuff. I'm not young girl sitting here and doing it. இல்ல give எதர் உன்னையா ఇక్కడ back rest
போட்டு கட்ட வர மாட்டேங்குது.
நீ நின்னுட்டீங்க டக் டக்குன்னு எடு இல்ல இன்னொருத்தர் முடியல எனக்கு பேக் பெயின் ஆகுது ப்ளீஸ்
பிரைஸ் வேணாமல்ல?
அதான் அல்ல இதுக்கு வேண்டாம் தீபன் பார்த்தே விளையாடு நீ இதுக்கு வேண்டடா எனக்கு ஒரே ப்ரைஸ் தான் எல்லாம் உட்கார முடியலடா
இது வந்து ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
எத்தனை நான் சொல்ல வாயில மொட்டை உட்காருதுடா நீ நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் போறப்போ ஒரு குஷன் ஒரு சேர் எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போகணும். This is D
142.
143. Varsha Jadhav ma'am 139 kude. 142 da. Soundar Varsha Jadhav ma'am 139. D143. 8,999. D141 Krishna Singh ma'am par. It's book Krishna Singh ma'am. This is D144.
44.
4. D144 is this. 8,999. D140.
45.
5 is this. D145 is this. D146 is this. இது வந்து இப்போ சட்டல் கலர்ஸ் எடு நீ அப்படி ஜிக் ஜிக் இருக்குது இருக்காத
வெரி செட்.
நானும் போட மாட்டேன் அவங்க எப்படி போடுவாங்க நினைப்பேன். This D1
147.
D147 Krishna Singh ma'am 143. என்ன பெருசாவே எடுத்துட்டு வந்தாங்க. Go for this. This tissue brocade is beautiful. It's not less than 15-16 double fold பண்ணுவேன்.
டபுள் ஃபோர் இங்க உட்காரணும்.
This is D
148 சார்.
D148 8,999. Buy this, it's beautiful. Amarita ma'am. I have to respect, no. அப்போ இங்க தான் வேணும். lower back.
இப்போ காமிச்சிட்டு
In the lower back again. Anyways, this D1
148.
D148. This is beautiful. 8,990. In the money kudu. D148 is this beautiful tissue. Nalla color istu kudra. D149.
149.
Krishna Singh mam theriyumada. 148 kekranga. நல்ல ஐட்டம் இருந்தா எடுப்பாங்க மணி.
3 silvers.
3 silver. அது ஒரு நியத்துக்கு உன் கல்யாணத்துக்கு. ரீட்டா மேம் கிட்ட உன் கல்யாணத்துக்கு வாங்கி கொடுக்கச்சு.
நீங்களே இந்த மாதிரி தான் லைட் கலர் தான் போடுவீங்க.
This is D. D1.
150.
50 is this. D150 is this. Okay. Then D151 is this golden. This is nice. D151. Give me that green. That's nice. D150. 2 is this. My hand. The number call panna. Deepan. Soundar nee konju photo edu. Nee photo soundar kudu. Deepan nee item cut. Nee and number call panna. This is D1. Kaalala ippo.
ஈங்க போங்க. இவங்க.
ஆமா.
அது பேசுவீங்களா?
நான் பேசுறேன் நீ காட்டு. வருவா கேளு கடை திறக்க சொல்லு. எத்தனை ஐட்டம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிடு. வரும்னு சொல்லி வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்லு. This D1
52.
52
pieces.
I'll show ma'am. This is D1
2 pieces.
சரிடா. D152 2 pieces. D152 2 pieces. ఓకే అన్న సెమీ సారీస్ లో ఏదైనా ఉన్నాయా? సెమీ ఒకసారి హాఫ్ ప్యూర్ లో ఉన్నాయా? సాఫ్ట్ సిల్క్ ఉన్నాయా? ఒకసారి చూపించింది. This D
153.
153. D153. Krishna Singh ma'am 152 கேக்குறாங்க பாரு. என்னவா? அவனுக்கு உடனே ஃபோட்டோ அனுப்ப சொல்லுங்க. ஃபோட்டோ பார்த்து செட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 1 second. How many people are there? 152 Padma Kolipara ma'am கேக்குறாங்க. How many people are there? Check. Huh?
230.
230 are still wearing the boring show today. Thank you so much. It's really. This look at this beautiful silver. Take this. This is 20,000 rupees current price. 8,999. Silver zari. D
154.
D154 is this. Then D155 is this. D155. J ma'am. D1
56.
56. I love you. ராதிகா கண்ணன் மேம். இப்போ எதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு சடன்லி எனக்கு லவ் யூன்னு சொல்ல தெரிஞ்சிச்சு? உனக்கே పావం అయితేనే. ఏ అది ఎంత వేదిపన్? ఒక సాఫ్ట్ సిల్క్ చూపించండి. ఉన్నాయా? అదేంటి? ఎవరెవరో? సాగరిక మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. No, I know. But since I have come here, there are people calling, so I cannot say no. Still, happily we'll do it, huh? Half pure, huh? So these are half pure sarees. Okay. Half pure. You want to see? I'll show one. Amla Sakriti Bam 156 kekranga. Innu coming white. These are half pure kanchis. Look at this. That's pure silk by semi. Look at this. Show me the price. This is 6,750. Yeah, half pure. Vanda. And there's nothing in pink. Yogita ma'am, please. See, I'm telling you, not today I'm telling on this show. What I'm going to show you after 1 week is miraculously beautiful sarees. All which I would personally like to wear. Yeah? What you are also looking for. These are number solla. These are the tissues and brocades. This I'll not show you again. These are all for wedding, bridal, heavy saree look. You can buy this. Okay? Irkama?
750.
முடியாது. இல்லை இப்போ சொல்லு. இப்போ சொல்லி இப்போ ஒன்றா உனக்கு 1000 சாரி போகணும்னு சொல்லி உனக்கு அப்படி சொல்லு.
சொன்னேன் முன்னே அது நான் வந்து லைவ்ல கடையில் பண்ணதில்லை. எதுக்கு நேரில் வாங்க.
அப்போ அவனுக்கு இப்போ இன்னொரு 1 மணி நேரம் ஒரு கடையை ஓப்பன் பண்ண சொல்லு. வரலாம். Rita ma'am, you should not say that. Padma Kolipara ma'am வேணுமா? அது number, what's the number?
157.
What D or V?
D.
D 157 is this. So soft silk உன்னையா? இது கூட இதுங்க வந்து எனக்கு தெரியும். இல்ல 10 years back சுத்தி பண்ணது. You know what? I'm just taking all my 8 years, 10 years back contacts. Padma ma'am, please WhatsApp. Bari Boogie. Sixer ಇವಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಜೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಬುಟ್ಟಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ look at this ಇದು ಬುಟ್ಟಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಚುಮ್ಮಾ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು 24 this is
14,990.
24 14,999 but ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೆ 16,999 went out இது
நம்பர் போடு
என்ன சொன்ன சரி போட்டோஸ் அனுப்ப சொல்லு அதுக்கு இல்லடா பர்ச்சேஸ் வரணும் சொல்லுவாங்க 1000 சாரி காலைல முடியாது கிளம்புற நைட்னு சொல்லு அப்போ வர சொல்லு ஃபோன் அடிச்சு எனக்கு கொடு 1 second நாளைக்கு நீ இல்லைன்னா அந்த ஃபோனை நீ கொடுத்து வைக்கிறதுக்கு வேணும் அதுக்கு தான் தட்ஸ் ராங் உனக்கு எத்தனை விஜயம் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அது பண்ண லுக் அட் திஸ் 15,750 Zariless is not there ma'am whoever it is I don't want to compromise in anything work is work business ethics are ethics look at this this is
D158.
B158 uppada unnaya uppada silk
D158.
D158 15,750 இது வேண்டாம் இப்போ நமக்கு தெரியாது நமக்கு எது பிடிக்கும் எது போகணும் அது காட்டு சும்மா கொடுத்து காட்டக்கூடாது நமக்கு எது போகுமோ அந்த மாதிரி காட்டணும் என்னது look at this இது வேண்டாம் இது வெயிட் கம்மியா இருக்கு இந்த ரேட் சாஃப்ட் சில்க் get me some 5-6 soft silk என்னது தமிழ் தான் அப்ப நம்ம கொடுத்த வேலையை கொடுக்க சொல்லு நம்ம அவங்க சப்ளை பண்ண ஐட்டம் அது டிபன் அதெல்லாம் நம்ம சப்ளை பண்ண ஐட்டம் off-white green and maroon if you have Shilpa Rani ma'am wait off-white green and maroon లేదా లేదా ಇದು ಮೈ ಬ್ರೊಕೆಡ್ಲ ಕುಟ್ಟುಲ ಹೆವಿ ಅದ ಇರ್ಕ ಪಾತು ಪಾತು நமக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அந்த white green எடு அது எடு. Post break, you're going to other place. I'm thinking to go Satish Vaidya, ma'am. See, first thing is the handlooms are completely less. So people having huge stock of handloom is less. Let me see. Or tomorrow for sure. In the price? See ya. This is a very beautiful yellow saree, yellow brocade on yellow brocade. Price sollu Soundar. Rathika, no problem, no problem. Thank you so much. This is 19,500. This is Corvay Kuttu tissue brocade 19,500. No, Satish Vaidya ma'am, now I cannot go. Now it's late.
D159.
Now I can go to one place only, that is theatre, and watch a nice movie. See this. This is one more combination. A very nice brocade. And see here. This is D
160.
160. 20,250. These are all fresh stock. D160. Nice colors give. See, these are fresh stock. D160. D160. D161. Look at this. 20,250. D161. Yeah? Put up the good. நாளைக்கு இருக்கல இது நீ காட்டின இதுல போட்டோஸ்ல இது நாளைக்கு நீ அப்போ போட்டோ காட்டினல புரியுதா இல்லையா சொல்றது நான் அப்போ போட்டோ காட்டினல ஆஃப்டர்நூன் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நாளைக்கு ஸ்டாக்கு ஆமா அங்கேதான் இப்போ கிளம்புறோம்ல அங்க நாளைக்கு இது இருக்கா கேக்குறேன் இல்ல இங்க நாளைக்கு ரெடி பண்ணி வைக்கணும் வேற இல்ல லுக் அட் திஸ் அப்போ இப்போ ஃபோன் பண்ணுமே போயிட்டு வந்துரு குடு தீபன் 3 pieces in this. Look at this. This is Padma ma'am. I'll show you something in this only. Different price for it. This is again a very nice heavy stuff what I have. 24,000. Look at this. Very nice brocade red and big border bridal. 24,000. Okay. This is
D162.
D162. Irdiban. Ella open panna. D162. I have 3 pieces in this D162. Just show me. 24,000. Adu vanda Diban. Good. I'll just show you overview. Pudichirukna sollunga. I'll open that for you. Look at this. And the white edge. So this one is one good saree on white here. Idu ketuko. Thank you, Varsha ji. Thank you. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is 20,000.
24,000.
Sorry, 24,000. Very nice Corvay white tissue brocades here. Do you want, by any chance, do you want heavy tissue sarees and brocade sarees for 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh with real gold with certificate? This is
D163.
D163. Now this is something which I love. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's a new saree. 21,000 only. Look at this. A very nice red. And this is 21,000. Look at this. Satish Vaidya ma'am, or 1 week wait padunga tara. Look at this. Nice red brocade. 21,000. This is D
164.
164. D 164. Okay. என்னவா இருக்கா கொஞ்சம் ஐட்டம் போட்டோ அனுப்ப சொல்லுமா காட்டுறது ஒரு நிமிஷம் காட்டு அப்புறம் முடிச்சிடலாமா அங்கே போகலாமா give that dip and tell me the price first.
899.
Take this. No, 8,999. It'll be other item. அந்த இது அங்கடா இங்க நீ தேடினல அது ஏடுன சொன்ன இப்போ 3 மணி நேரத்துல அங்க போய் காட்ட முடியும் இப்போ போறது இல்ல இப்போ நைட் காட்டுறதுக்கு இங்க பேசி பாரு இல்ல இந்த போன்ல இருக்க எல்லா கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் look at this 8,999 it's a beautiful handloom saree look at this can you imagine this handloom saree for this price it's the best clearance number
D165.
D165 8,999 beautiful D160
6.
look at this D166 is this 8,999 tak tak ne edipan hi Meghna ma'am how are you D160
7.
look at this 8,999 D167 வெங்கட்கிரி சில்க் மாதிரி இல்ல வெங்கட்கிரி சில்க்கே உங்களுக்கு நான் கொடுத்துறேன் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க I'll keep on showing you what and all you are expecting D1 68 or 3,000 sarees become an over pomata so don't worry I will not go home without selling 3,000 silk sarees in 20 days so don't worry I'll show you everything if I have to sell 3,000 sarees how much I have to show you at least 6,000 I have to show you yeah so everything is on the way including Pochampalli Gadwals and everything this is
D169.
D169 this is D1
70.
8,999 this D1
71.
71 less there is not here ma'am I'll show you D170 2 okay sea blue I'll get you Pepsi ma'am here they don't have but I'll get you the exact color and more beautiful saree D1
73.
73 D173 is this thank you Rita ma'am D174 4 vintage borders I'll show you D174 8,999 D170 5 they're soft to wear make a trip to Tirupati if possible Tirupati let me see ma'am this is D1 76 okay podu mahi this is D1 this is nice 77 D177 is this advan adu kudu D170 8 nice there they look nice when you wear also but little jig that's all zari is more zari huh in the section this is D 179 see this is beautiful D179 8,999 then this is beautiful again this is D1 80 is this D180 yes Usha ma'am traditional vintage sarees not in today's show ma'am the vintage traditional show is on I'll tell you the date this is
D181.
this you can buy D181 because it's on the jackpot price D181 8,999 see from another 2 days I'll have Kanchi show then I will be going to Pochampalli yeah then I will be going to Gadwal and Venkatgiri and then one more last only vintage Kanchis okay so Pochampalli is how many of you interested tell me give me a thumbs up here not here give me thumbs up on the comments How many are interested in Pochampalli? Just comment P and put on the comment. Amma. I wanted to tell you the same yesterday show was super hit. Yes, Usha ma'am. Saturday 177 is there. Pochampalli, yeah. We'll do a wipeout sale in Pochampalli. I'm going to show you 2000 saris in Pochampalli. I will show. For me, placed one mat and one to lean and camera equipment. I'll show 2000 also. Yeah, done. And Pochampalli also, there are 2-3 weavers who are stuck with some clearance saris. I will show you that also. See, for reselling, use the fresh saris what I'm giving you. I'll give you very nice discount. For your personal use, whatever I'm giving on minor error, take it because they're too good. Pochampalli suits also. Go to Pochampalli tomorrow. Wait, Sagarika ma'am. 2 days till I have one more area to cover. There are 5 people waiting for me. So I have committed them. I have to travel again there for 3 hours, 4 hours. From there I'll go. Yeah? Venkatgiris, how many of you are in? Put V in the comment. This is what number? Sounder.
D182.
D182. Yeah? D183. 3. Yeah? என்ன இது அந்த பிரைஸ்க்கா This is D 184. This is fresh tissue. 22,000. D 184. Okay. அவங்க இந்த இதுல I know instead of buying this for 22,000, you will buy 2 sarees. போதுமா இருமை brocades tissues போதும்ல tissues இதுக்கு மேல எங்க காட்டணும் இதுதான் கிடைக்கும். They're nice, Sagarika ma'am. Tomorrow 2 days I'll do Kanchis and then we will do Venkatgiris and then we'll go to Pochampalli. Yeah? And the price money? In a price, this is?
D185.
அதுதான் நான் கொடுத்தேன் அதுக்கு பாதி கொடுக்க சொல்லு. This is D 185. 8,000. இது உனக்கு தான் உன் கல்யாணத்துக்கு பொண்டாட்டி கொடுக்குறேன் உனக்கு உன்னோட டேஸ்ட் இது. D1 85. புக் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ கல்யாணத்துக்கு கத்த கொடுற இல்ல ஜெய மேம் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு ஸ்டேட்டஸ் சொல்லு தம்பி. பர்ச்சேஸரும் வரணும்ல மாதிரி. ஓகே ஃப்ரீயாக சும்மா ஒரு ப்ரைஸ் போட்டுடலாம். 4,000 కదా இதுக்கு ஜிஎஸ்டி போடாதீங்க. இது உங்களுக்கு 4,000 கொடுத்து முடிச்சிடுறேன். ஓகே ஒன் ஸ்மால் ஹெல்ப்பா 156 Dupian silks are there. His purchase price is 4,000. We will give it for 4,000 only. 3,999. Just take it. I don't want to give 1 rupee on this. It's stuck with him also. We'll clear this. Look at this. Amma Padma ma'am. This with the silk mark, Dupian silk. These are sold for 7-8 now. Little old designs, no damage. He purchased for 4,000. He's got stuck. So since a small help, okay? 3,999. Number?
B186.
B186.
D.
I'll check JMM. Message me on my number. Give him Anjali. Give him Anjali when he gets married. We will pay. No, Annamam. I was just joking because that was too jig color he gave me. I don't know his taste. He can only wear it. This is?
D187.
D187. D188. Take it. It's a jackpot price. Silk mark. Dupian silk. D188. 8. D189. Yeah. This is Seva for him. This is D190. 90. This is D191. These are Banarsis, okay? This is not Kanchi. The Banarsis Dupian silk. D191. 91. D192 is this. D193 is this. D194 is this. D194. D195. D196, 3,999. D197, D197,
இல்லை இல்லை இது எடுக்கல
D198.
என்ன பண்ணுது
98.
I'm finding a white American girl for Deepan. He already found in my store, Padma ma'am. White American girl for that.
எடுக்கல
This D1,
98
98. D199 is this. And D100 is this. For the Deepan.
200
D200 is this. For the
bulk booking.
bulk booking na nahi adhe price book lang purchase pannadhu adhe price. We'll take a break. 8 o'clock we'll take a break, or we'll travel. We'll leave, no? Akila will pack up, no? இல்ல நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம வருவோம் Saturday. We are coming back here. We have a show again on Saturday, no? Phone பண்ணி போய் சொல்லு. Will not wait. All right. Anyways, we are winding up now. Anything at 199 Annamma ma'am book pannu. Anything if we... Oh, good. Still. Okay. So, anything we find on the way, we will stop and show you. Okay? So, you take rest. If anything exciting I find, 9 o'clock I'll connect. Otherwise, we'll leave today. But 9 o'clock, just see the page. If notification comes, please join. Otherwise, the show is tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Again, some exclusives I'll get. Okay? I'll give you, ma'am. Yes, Shailaja, ma'am. I'll be traveling to one more place, which is 4 hours from here. And then Saturday, we'll have one more show here, which we are showing 2,000 sarees, one mega clearance. Alright? Thank you. Bye-bye.